I work the graveyards of Greyhounds 8 days a week. Now I'm a trademark, got Bentleys parked on my street. I had pockets of pennies at Denny's and trying to eat. And now my money make money while I'm asleep. Everywhere I go, people tell me so. You got what I want, everybody want a little more. Look at everybody talking. Look at everybody talking. Look at everybody talking. Every time that we walk it out, we the ones that they talk about. Good woman. Everywhere I go, people tell me so. You got what I want. Everybody want a little more. Look at everybody talking. Look at everybody talking. Look at everybody talking. Every time that we walk it out, we the ones that they talk about.
Pero nagustuhan ko sa kanya noon, sobrang ano siya, sobrang sweet niya. Every time na, nililigawan niya pa lang ako noon pero every time na umuwi kami, naglalakad kami galing school, ayun, napaka-thoughtful niya, lahat ng gamit ko, dinadala niya, ayun. And then, mag-text siya, kinakamusta niya ako every morning. Ayun. So, yun yung nagustuhan ko sa kanya. And then, sobrang maaalalahanin niya. Talagang konting ano ko lang na masakit ulo ko, ganyan-ganyan. Talagang lagi niya akong kinakamusta. So, yun.
Perfectly aligned.
Ang nagustuhan ko sa kanya yung pagiging matibay niyang tao. Yung, alam mo yun, na kahit anong ibato sa kanya, tayo pa din siya, lumalaban pa din. Kahit na mabagal, at least umuusad siya.
Our love keeps growing like a melody unfolding.
Ito na yung panahon na matutupad natin yung isa sa mga pangarap natin, yung ikasal tayo kasama ni Gian.
To hear the sound of your heartbeat. We are two hearts intertwined.
Daddy, this is it. Finally, no more sana all. Andito na tayo sa isa sa mga pangarap natin. Thank you, Dad, for fulfilling this once upon a time dream of mine. Our wedding. Ikaw yung dumating sa buhay ko na sobra-sobra kung pinasasalamatan kay Lord. Konting oras na lang, hindi na ako makapaghintay na makita ka sa altar mamaya. Sumumpa sa harap ng mga mahal natin sa buhay at sa harap ng Diyos na maging asawa mo. Thank you for making me the happiest bride. I will always thank the Lord for this day, because growing old with you begins today. I love you, Dad. See you later, aking asawa, Dayan.
Your eyes are the color of the sunflowers, so radiant, wild and free.
Thank you, Mommy. I love you.
And the world stops spinning.
16 years now. And finally, ito na yung hinihintay natin. Sabi nga sa Bible, in Isaiah 60:22, when the time is right, the Lord will make it happen. And today, after 16 years of trusting God's timing, He made everything perfect. Ang tagal ng 16 nagtatanong ka sa atin, bakit hindi pa kayo magpakasal? Pero di kita tinanong sa bagay na yun. Dahil alam ko kung ano yung dahilan mo.
Yung mga promises ko, alam mo na kung ano yun. Hindi ko na iisa-isahin, pero sasabihin ko sa'yo na nasa next step na tayo ng buhay natin. Basta kung ano yung mga promises ko sa'yo noon, matutupad lahat yun.
Naiyak ako, Char! So, yan. Basahin ko na? Okay. Just a little something for you. I hope this brings you as much joy as you bring to my life. Fill your heart with adventures, not
Saan
things.
kinuha yan sa Facebook?
Have stories to tell, not stuff to show. Make a wish and put on your necklace. A life that is full of endless possibilities. Wear it as a reminder that with love, there are no limits. Oh, so, alam ko na kung ano to. Ay, no, yan na yan. Na-excite ako eh.
Okay, go!
Okay na. Ba? Thank you, Dad. Yeah, thank you, Daddy. Ang galing mo naman maghanap.
Mami, Dayan, Yabi, if you think that I'm here just because of love, then it's time that changes. I'm here through all the bad days, through all the sick ones, and all the downfalls. I'm not just here for love. I'm not just a partner. I'm not just a friend. I'm all in. I'm here for you, and I'm forever yours. I love you.
Sabi mo nga, nakakapag-umpisa na tayo. At pangako ko na lagi kitang susuportahan, tutulungan, papalakasin ng loob at mamahalin. Madami tayong bubuuin na magagandang memories together. Madami din tayong pagdadaan ng pagsubok. Hindi palaging masaya, hindi palaging date time, hindi palaging puro excitement. Alam ko may mga araw na mapapagod tayo sa isa't isa. Pero pangako ko na walang iwanan. We will always choose to stick together. We will always choose to pray together.
I just can't compare you with anything in this world. As endless as forever, our love will stay together. You're all I need to be with forevermore.
Si Lord ang magiging sentro ng pamilya natin. At alam ko na magiging maayos ang lahat. Mahal kita, Dad, nung nagdaang 16 na taon. At mamahalin kita sa mga susunod pa.